How to make a Paracord Bracelet Metamorphosis Modified Paracord Knots tutorial. Welcome. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're going to create this beautiful Paracord bracelet designed by our friend Elena Polkanova, so make sure to check Elena Instagram profile down below in the description of this video. For today's project we're going to use this golden rod Paracord 550 and this black Paracord 550 as well. For today's project we're going to use the 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. The full tutorial for this bracelet core and for this awesome Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today you have in the top right corner information cards and down below in the description of this video. So that being said, let's start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Now first we're gonna take and insert the gold paracord from the back between these 2 strands of cow's hitch. Now we're gonna take the ends and we're gonna pull them together so we will have the equal length of a cord from each side. So now we're gonna take the gold cord and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between 2 middle cords. So in the middle and with the left strand as well, cross it. And now from here we're gonna take the right side black and we're gonna make it from the back through the same gap between first and the second cord strand, like so, and pull it. Now we're gonna return it from the top into the gap. As you can see, this way we locked our gold cords. So we're gonna do the same with the left strand. So from the back, through the gap between first and the second cord strand from the left side. And now from the top and through the gap. And now from here we're gonna take our right strand black, we're gonna make it under the cords, these 2 from the left side, and then from the back through the gap in the middle, and now from the top through the loop on the right, and we're gonna do the same on the left side. So from the back through the middle and then through the loop on the right side. But first we're gonna close this first weave here. And again, the gold from the top in the middle, the left and the right side. And now with the black, we're gonna go from the back, pass it through the gap between first and the second cord strand on the right side. And again, from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand. And to the side. We'll do the same with the left strand. So from the back through and from the top side through the gap as well. Now we're gonna take the right strand and we're gonna make it around from the back through the middle and then from the top through the loop. And with the left side from the back through the middle and then through the loop on the left. and repeat. So here we are, our Paracord project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!